morning. Welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on social media in those following places. This is the January Ipsy glam bag with the theme Ipsy Recharge. It's all about new year, more products, more focus on you. And lots of fun things on the little fact card here about new beauty lines coming to Ipsy in 2019 and new ways to personalize your bag. So they're saying it's going to be the best year yet. Let's get into the bag and find out. So hey, we got the Ipsy glam bag. It's a little cloth bag. It's got a little crinkly inside. Kind of cute. We have Naked Cosmetics, Heavy Metal, Pigment. It's in a blue color. Oh my god, I hope it doesn't dump all over the place. Oh geez. Oh, it's taped. Okay, I don't recommend doing that. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, handy dandy thing here. Ah, there we go. You'd think I would check these before I start filming, but no. So it's a blue shade here. Ooh, it is a sparkly, goes on like a light blue. Gonna have to take this with me on my trip. Look, kind of matches my shirt. This says character over copy, which I got from one of my acting teachers. So this is the Naked. Gonna look really cool. Definitely taking that. Then we have the Fluide lip gloss. It looks blue as well, but it goes on clear. There's a shine on top of what you're already wearing. So there's that. Then we have Color Club nail polish. Now, confession, I already used the nail polish and my nail person said that the brush on this nail polish is shit, which I have to agree. It's like way big and yeah. But yeah, my nail person said that the color was great, but the brush is shit. So there's an honest review from someone that does nails for a living on that product. Then we have the, I'm going to pronounce it wrong, Illamasqua, Illamasqua coloring pencil. And it's a brown. It's got some violet undertones in it. And then we finally have Pure Brazilian Leave-In Conditioner. So those are all the products. That's the glam bag. And this is where to find me. And I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty. Stay beautiful.